Welcome to the SAP ABAP training program by IJT Sarang SAP faculty trainer. Today we are going to talk about the evolution of SAP. In 1990, SAP provided two basic products. SAP R2, mainframe based, and SAP R3, client server based. They provided similar functionality, and R3 is often referred to as a successor of R2. The development of the underlying technical platform was closely linked to the application development, and the release name of the SAP technical platform corresponds to the version of the application themselves. They are therefore referred to as SAP Basis 4.0b, the technical platform, and SAP R3 4.0b, the application. However, most people just use the term 4.0b to refer the both. In 1990, the number of SAP products grew significantly, and new products required frequent changes and enhancement of the SAP technical platform, more than to SAP R3. This shift in development began the transition of technical platform from the classical SAP basis to SAP Web Application Server, primarily to allow direct access to HTTP request. Next, the technical basis and application development were linked up to and include SAP R3 4.6c. The concept of SAP R3 Enterprise extensions was introduced starting with SAP R3 Enterprise 4.7, which is based on SAP Web Application Server 6.20. The technical platform, after evolving in a web server, right? The introduction of SAP extension allowed the core application to remain stable and provided new business functionalities. Further, SAP Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) is a central application of SAP Business Suite. The central software component of SAP ERP is SAP ERP Central Component, that is SAP ECC, which is SAP ECC 5.0. Can thus be considered the successor of SAP R3 Enterprise. It operates on the basis of SAP NetWeaver Application Server 6.40. The current version in SAP ERP 6.0, previously SAP ERP 2005, which include SAP ECC 6.0 and other components, and operates on the basis of SAP NetWeaver Application Server 7.XX. The technical platform during the same time frame also went through several name changes as the platform evolved. Up to and through release 4.6, the technical platform was referred to as SAP Basis. With the introduction of new capabilities in release 6.20, the technical platform was referred to as SAP Web Application Server. And with the ability to include both the ABAP database or ABAP database and Java database in one system, with release 6.40, the name became SAP NetWeaver Application Server. The ABAP release is we can say SAP NetWeaver Application Server 7.40. With SAP Web Application Server 6.10 from that time, new technologies based on highly scalable infrastructure were implemented to process HTTP request, hypertext transfer protocol request, directly from the internet or to send them as HTTP client request to the internet. You can send to the internet and from the internet you can receive. Before this, an internet transaction server wasn't required to deal with this request. The SAP kernel was enhanced to include a process known as Internet Communication Manager, ICM, to achieve this functionality. The kernel uses the ICM to directly handle HTTP requests, allowing for new web-based application, for example, business server pages. Incoming web requests are received by the ICM, which uses the URL to decide where to forward the request. On SAP NetWeaver server is a further evolution of technical platform. This platform allows both ABAP and Java to exist and function within the same system. That is why we say this is one of the best system, because it takes ABAP program and Java program together to function and control the entire SAP NetWeaver system. Thank you.